Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to share albums in OneDrive on computer. So how to share albums in OneDrive on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. To share an album, first go to the album menu, move the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there are many menu options. Tap the Photos menu. Here it will appear like this. Tap the Albums menu here. Here the Albums menu display is displayed. Enter the album to be shared. Now here it is already in my album. To share this album, tap the share icon here. Now here a display like this will appear. Next, type the account you will send this album to. Here you also enter a message by typing here. After finishing, tap send. Now here I have successfully sent my folder to someone. So that's it, tutorial how to share albums in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.